Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Hyundai Tucson Active. Stock reference number 5776. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, right-hand daytime running light, left-hand daytime running light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard has 2 dents, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. We have the right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror, right guard no damage, and right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.